In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal credit on eBay in 2025. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your eBay account. Ensure you have your username and password handy so you can effortlessly access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to begin shopping. Now you can either add items to your cart or use the simple buy it now option if there's an item you just have to have immediately. This flexibility allows you to shop as you prefer, either grabbing an item quickly or building up a shopping cart before proceeding to checkout. Once you have your items selected, you'll want to head over to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. You'll see various payment options, and among these you should look for the one labeled PayPal credit. It's usually highlighted as a convenient option, so keep an eye out for that. Click on PayPal credit to select it as your payment method. Next, take a moment to confirm your payment details. This step involves reviewing the purchase summary and checking if everything tallies up as you expect. You're making sure the items in your cart are correct, your billing address is accurate, and the total amount is exactly what you plan to spend. This is crucial because it ensures that there are no surprises when your bank statement arrives. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and confirm your payment. But hold on, before we conclude, it's important to note a few things about PayPal credit. Sometimes it might not be available for certain purchases, and that's okay. There could be several reasons for this. It might be due to a risk assessment that the system performs, meaning some transactions might not be eligible based on their parameters. Additionally, there may be transaction amount limitations. Sometimes if the amount exceeds certain limits, PayPal credit isn't offered as an option. Furthermore, some merchants might not support PayPal credit as a payment method, which means it won't be available. Finally, it's worth mentioning that PayPal credit is subject to specific terms of an offer. So if your purchase doesn't align with these terms, then PayPal credit might not be an option for you at that time. However, generally speaking, the availability of PayPal credit is quite broad. So usually it's a very convenient way to manage your payments. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using PayPal credit on eBay. By following these steps, you can shop with confidence, knowing you're equipped to handle your transactions smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.